right, guys, here we are. This is day 2 of Funky Mirror Workshop, and of course, star student Chris here is the first one finished. Ta-da! And we're loving. I love how she put her initials on there. It's really cool. Okay, Karen, I'm sneaking a peek at yours. Almost finished. Elaine, working hard. Gorgeous. Okay, Kathy, you're about finished too. I love that color palette.
Does she have to come on this side?
Yeah, we do. And Susan, this is the second time she's taken this class, so she's got it figured out. That's for doggone sure. I love the colors. I think she's trying to replicate a Vera Bradley pattern, the colors in that Vera Bradley purse.
Oh.
Yeah. Becky, let's take a good look at those flowers. Love those flowers. Robin, a little behind as usual, but that's because everything is perfect. And Cheryl and the home stretch. Pretty color combination.
Thank you.
So we'll go out tomorrow night, be finished, then I will post pictures of their final creation.